And good day. Today we're having a look at this little broken piece down the bottom of my door. This little slider. Yes, it's finally given up the ghost and it's time to replace it. I've got a 3D printer, so let's see what it can do and put it to the test. And as you can see here, that's the old piece. It's a different shape to the one I've just printed out. Should be functional. We'll put it to the bottom of the door in a few minutes and have a bit of a look. And there we are, we've got the piece in my hand. We're popping it down the bottom now. And there it is, I've got it sitting in there at the moment. And can I slide the door? As you can see, it slides over it beautifully. That's a good benefit of having a 3D printer on hand. You can print little pieces that get broken and have a fully functioning component at a fraction of the price of going down and buying it from the shops.